Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the highway infrastructure in Jamaica. Now we are on Highway 2000 East-West leg, also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. This road takes you from Kingston to Williamsfield. So between Kingston and Maypen, you have to pay toll on this road. But from Maypen to Williamsfield in Manchester, or call it Mandeville, you don't have to pay toll. It's there. The toll plazas are there, but they are having issues re the collecting of the toll. So no toll is being collected. They say the toll will start on July 1, but that date keeps changing. So this highway, Highway 2000 East-West leg, is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay and Kingston to Negril. So currently the road goes from Kingston to, call it Mandeville, and then from Mandeville the road is going to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, which is right by Black River. And they are now working on that section of the road. Now the construction has not started yet, but they are doing the planning and aligning and the background work basically. But that project the highway should be built within the next 4 years. The construction finished. And of course it's China Harbour Engineering Company that's going to be doing the work. Then the highway, when it reaches Hodges in St. Elizabeth, will split. One section will go up through Montpelier into Montego Bay, and another section will go from St. Elizabeth, Hodges, to Negril in Westmoreland. So that's this highway, East-West leg of Highway 2000, taking it from Kingston to Negril and Kingston to Montego Bay. So that covers the southern part of the island. Now on the north coast you have Highway 2000 North-South leg, also known as the Edward Seaga Highway. That road goes from Kingston to Miami Bay, or you could say Kingston to Ocho Rios. That road is finished and they're collecting toll on the road. Now, there was announced recently that that road is going to be expanded from Miami Bay to Trelawney. That project hasn't started yet and no start date has been given, but it's going to be a toll road that goes now from Miami Bay to Trelawney. So that will take you from Kingston to Trelawney via the north coast. Now we have two other highways that are not toll roads. You have the Southern Coastal Highway, which is going to be renamed the Paul Boga Highway, that takes you from Kingston to Port Antonio. Now the section from Kingston to St. Thomas, or Yalos in St. Thomas, is finished, and these are not toll roads now. This road is not a toll road. The road we're talking about, the road we're driving on, is a toll road. So from Kingston to Yalos is finished, 4-lane, very nice road, looks just like this except it's not a toll road. And then they're still working on the Yalos to Port Antonio leg, but work is moving along and it should finish sometime this year. Then we have another highway now. So that road takes us from Kingston to Port Antonio. Now in Port Antonio we have the Northern Coastal Highway, which is not a toll road. That takes you from Port Antonio through St. Mary, through St. Anne, through Trelawney, through St. James, through Hanover, into Negril in Westmoreland. So that road is going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. It's going to look like a road like this. So basically the north coast and the south coast of Jamaica will be connected via highways. Some will be toll roads, some won't be toll roads. So Jamaica really has a good infrastructure program. So in Portland you have the Southern Coastal Highway meeting the Northern Coastal Highway, and in Negril you have Highway 2000 meeting the Northern Coastal Highway. So the entire island will be connected via highway infrastructure. So that's an excellent project. It's going to take some years to complete, but within the next 10 to 15 years, everything should be finished. If they speed it up, it can be done in 5 to 10 years. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this highway infrastructure setup in Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.